Hello and welcome to my channel, and in this video we will know how to extend or shorten music in Adobe Premiere Pro. For example, I have this video and it's 7 and 10 seconds long. Now import your music. As you see, the music is too short compared to my video and it's only 2 minutes and 40 seconds long. First, right-click on your music and select Edit in Adobe Audition. That will open Adobe Audition automatically for you if you have it installed on your PC. When Adobe Audition opens, press multi-track and save it wherever you want, then press OK. Drag your music into the first track. A message will appear on your screen. Press Don't show this alert again, then press OK. Then go to Properties and under Remix press Enable Remix. Then Adobe Audition will analyze your music. Now you need to put your video duration in the target duration. If you remember, my video duration was 7 minutes and 11 seconds, so I will type it here. Now click anywhere and you are done. And if you see some lines here, that means that Adobe Audition make a cut here. So let's hear that. As you see, the cut is so smooth, and I'm sure if anyone hear it, he will not notice there's a cut here. Now we want to export it to Adobe Premiere Pro. To export it, go to File, Export to Adobe Premiere Pro, and select the location of your file and make sure that Open in Adobe Premiere Pro is selected. Then press Export. Now it will automatically go back to Adobe Premiere Pro, and make sure you select New Audio Track, then press OK. And now we finished. Thank you for watching. See you next time.